I'm fixing to make a gift that the receiver doesn't have to fix anything. All they have to do is chew. Because I'm gonna make it for them, and I'm gonna fill up that little tin that I had with a wonderful English toffee. I've got 1 3/4 sticks of butter. I'm gonna add 1 cup of sugar, and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of water. Now I'm gonna cook this to a hard ball. And I'm not saying ball, y'all, like B-O-I-L. I'm saying ball, B-A-double-L. And we want to cook this to a hard ball. Okay, I've got that incorporated. Now I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Okay, now that's incorporated good. Now I'm going to stick the thermometer down in here. I'm going to put that on about medium heat. And I'm going to cook that to 300 to 320. Now I'm going to come in here and put me a double boiler on to melt our chocolate. And, you know, it's how much ever chocolate you want. You know, I like a lot of chocolate, so I'm probably going to melt about 1.5 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. All right, so this is ready. It's at about 320 degrees. All right, so I'm gonna turn off this flame, and I'm gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. That alcohol's talking to that sugar and butter, isn't it? Okay, I'm gonna stir that in. Stir in some chopped pecans. Gonna make that toffee so wonderful. Now I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna pour it on to a buttered cookie sheet. Okay, and I'm just gonna kind of let it run out on that pan. Oh, look, you can see it. See how I'm able to move the whole thing? It's starting to cool off just that quickly. And it doesn't matter if it covers your pan. You know, that's not a problem at all. Okay. Oh, my chocolate. It's melted nicely. That's ready to go. So this is still a little warm, so I'm gonna put this on the counter and let it cool off. I've got another one here because I'm giving a batch, but I'm keeping a batch. So this batch is cooled. Ooh, doesn't that look good? Can you hear that? It's gonna snap in my mouth when I bite it. Love that. Whoa! Sometimes I think I've got hands of steel when I really don't. Okay. So here we go. Ooh, look at all that chocolate. Don't it look good, y'all? Now I'm just gonna spread this chocolate all over that toffee. Oh, life is good. You know, it's funny, some of life's simplest pleasures can make you the happiest. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna let this cool, and then I'm gonna break it into pieces. I'm not gonna try to cut this or anything. I'm just gonna snap it wherever it wants to snap.